Ooh, welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, y'all saw this body. Yes, guys, I am working on a Wrangler. You know what? I just found some news out. Okay, guys, some of this stuff, I got to be honest with you, I learn as I go. Now, I'm not talking about learning like mechanical things on a car. I'm talking about the car's option. Okay, just say for instance, this is a 2018 Jeep Wrangler. All right, pretty sophisticated. Hold on, I'm not taking that out. There's no blooper reels here. Pretty sophisticated, right? Beautiful Jeep. All right. Now, however, notice I said 2018. All right. Now, from a V6 standpoint, FCA is pretty much utilizing the 3.6 Pentastar for the most part. All right, until further notice. Now, who knows when that notice is? But the unique thing about this 2018 model, mind you, okay, I have to repeat that again, is that this Pentastar, ladies and gentlemen, is equipped with an EGR cooler. All right, I see that EGR cooler down there. Now, that can only mean one thing. All right, it's a Gen 3, guys. Pentastar Gen 3. All right. JT, who cares? What's the difference between Gen 1, Gen 2, and Gen 3? Well, ladies and gentlemen, the Gen 3 has a new and improved updated valve train system. Okay, so some of the problems you had or FCA had with in the past, Gen 2s, Gen 1, ticking noise, I'm referring to rocker arms collapsing, causing damage to camshafts, needle bearings inside the roller bearing of the rocker bearing would fail, come apart. That would cause catastrophic, in some cases, failure with the camshaft, which could lead some to believe you need a complete engine. All right, yes, guys, that happens. I've seen customers come in, man, sound like I need an engine. You hear that, young fella? I know why these guys keep calling me young fella, but I said, yeah, I hear it, man. Well, why you think you need an engine? Listen to that. I said, yeah, I hear it, but that doesn't necessarily mean you need an engine. So one of two things: we either need to educate the customer, educate the consumer, or give them what they want. Now, depending on how high mileage it is, recommending another engine is not a bad option, guys. I mean, you eliminate all the risk. Okay, yes, these things when they fail are repairable, but at what length? Okay, like if I put a valve cover and all four camshafts are chewed up and it's just knocking real loud, ticking real loud, yes, and you have 280,000 miles on it, yes, I'll go with you on the belief that it's probably time for another engine. That engine has done its job. Now, I, on the other hand, would try to keep the engine, you know, and resalvage it or recondition it or whatever, but you can't take risk like that with customers' product, all right, customer cars, all right? Now, that's one unique thing about this Wrangler. All right, I'm going to talk about another one, guys, but right now, let me take a break right quick. I need some gloves, all right? This could look more professional if my hand gesture have a glove on it. Hold tight, guys. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys. Hey, look at that. I'm back, guys. Where we leave off? Yes, that's enough about that. The 2018s are equipped with the 3.6 Pentastar Generation 3. There's a lot of confusion about when did they start using the Gen 3. Now, I know when that engine first showed up was the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. No, it first showed up in 2016 on the Dodge Durango and the Jeep Grand Cherokee. Okay, so from now on out, in 2016 and higher, from a V6 standpoint, that Dodge Journey and that Jeep Grand Cherokee would be equipped with the Gen 3 Pentastar. All right. Now, in 2017, it showed up in the Chrysler Pacifica, the newer minivan. So from now on out, on the Pacifica, it will be equipped with a Gen 3. Now, this where the confusion come in at. When are they going to start implementing them in all the vehicles? That remains to be unknown. Okay, this is a 2018. It has one. All right, so I want to assume there's no turning back. So from 2018 on up, all the Wranglers from a V6 standpoint will be equipped with the Gen 3 Pentastar 3.6 engine. That's my take. That's my theory. Okay, it don't make sense to go backwards, right? So yeah, 2018 and higher. And I would just update you guys as I see fit. Now, I did see a 2020 Dodge Charger with a Gen 2 Pentastar. So the Chargers, I haven't started seeing them in the Charger. And guys, let me touch on this right quick. This engine is fairly reliable. In fact, in my opinion, very reliable. Considering I have never worked on one internal. I have yet to even have a reason to pull the valve cover. That's not saying a bulletproof, because some techs have. It's just that I can only speak for me, JT, have yet to need, and I'm here, I see these daily, right? Okay, this is in for a check engine light, by the way. I'm working on this. I got a evap leak code. Y'all know anything can trigger an evap code, right? You can simply leave your fuel cap loose and cause that. Yes, it still got the manual cap. A lot of them are capless, but this Jeep Wrangler, guys, we want to keep this Wrangler rugged, man. Very rugged in the woods, in the dirt, 4-wheel drive. And this Jeep is equipped with a 4-wheel drive. It's also equipped with the ZF 8-speed transmission. Now, because it's a Wrangler and the car makers consider this outdoors, the pan on these, from a general standpoint, that 8-speed ZF transmission have a plastic pan. This one has a steel plated pan. I wish I can raise it up in the air and show you guys, but same transmission, just a different setup. Now, we was talking about ruggedness, right? Yes, guys, they taking away the hardcore thug ruggedness of the Wrangler. Interior, pretty basic, the same. But look, guys, this is no fun, right? Look at that. Push start. Okay, where's the key? Where's the physical key? This is the key for this year model Jeep Wrangler. All right, electric, all electronics, guys. No physical key. Well, you need a key just in case, you need to get in your, I don't know. I got to look at the doors. But my point is, they taking the ruggedness out of a Jeep Wrangler. This is supposed to be a rugged vehicle. All right. Yes, 4-wheel drive option. Same electronics as all the other FCA product. Okay. Well, how many miles on this? I think I had to have the door closed. 37,000 miles. Yes, again, checking the light on. For what reasons? Is a evap leak. It could have been a gas cap, fuel cap left loose. There's a electrical test we can run on these now that would do the test for us. That would do the test for us from a standpoint of verifying that it's fixed. It's not going to tell you exactly what it leak is. You still need to perform your diagnostic test, your leak down test, or your smoke test, or whatever you do to find evap leaks. But Jeep Wrangler, guys, I just happen to be working on one. I figured I'd update you guys. A lot of people are always asking me, because I'm right here in the dealer. JT, what year did the Gen 3 come out? It varies, guys, from car to car. I don't know why they got this top down. What a beautiful day, beautiful week. I'm in the Atlanta area, by the way, guys. I see why. Just as I said that, guys, pile of rain just started coming down. Y'all see that? I mean, as soon as I said that. So that makes sense. They must, look at that. They must have read the weather report. Okay, keep the top on, all right? Could you imagine riding, you're on a trip, or you going to the store somewhere with your top off and it just started raining? What do? Find a tunnel to hide up under until it stops raining? Guys, I'm done. I'm in clown mode right now, but let me diagnose this Wrangler, guys. Nothing technical, nothing to run home about. Evap leak. I'm thinking I'm going to find nothing, probably, guys. These vehicles are holding up very well, and that is a good thing for a car maker standpoint, FCA standpoint. They should be proud of the newer products that they putting out. They should be proud that they teamed up with ZF Corporation to help with their transmission lineup, guys. Long gone are the days where you can say Chrysler, don't buy Chrysler. They have all kinds of transmission issues. No, that kind of talk is slowly subsiding. Getting rid of that kind of talk. Even the engine standpoint, the earlier version of this kind of put a beating on the image, guys. On the they put a beating and some damage on the brand. The Pentastar, that ticking engine, It did a number on the image and the brand and the Pentastar name, but we're trying to recover. They're trying to recover that image by way of improving. They improved on what they had. You don't know what you need to improve until you go through some things, guys. Do y'all understand that? Okay, why make improvements if improvements are not necessary? Once they saw how the valve train system on those earlier built Pentastar was failing and why it was failing, engineers got together. Okay, here's what we need to do. I can't go over with you how this set up. I can only do it from a book standpoint. I want to physically show you guys the valve train setup, but I haven't had a reason to go in one. You're not going to get a video from me unless I'm actually doing the physical work. All right, that hasn't happened yet, so stay tuned. I'm sure it will, but for now, I have yet to go inside a Pentastar Gen 3. Guys, I gotta go. That's all I have. That is a beauty. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Look at that beauty. Woo! I'll see y'all in the next video.